We know that OnePlus is going to announce the OnePlus 8T on 14th of October, but it looks like OnePlus Nord Series is also getting a new phone. The OnePlus Nord was launched 2 months ago, and during that time, the company had confirmed that more phones in the series will be launched in the future. OnePlus Nord N10 5G name was recently rumored. OnePlus has released a teaser image on Instagram which has no details and only shares a sketch of the company logo with the simple caption "coming soon", and the image is on OnePlus Nord account rather than the main OnePlus account. OnePlus would likely share more details of this upcoming phone in the coming teasers. The phone will be available in the US, as the original OnePlus Nord did not come to the US. The OnePlus Nord N10 5G is expected to feature a 6.9-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate. It will be powered by the Qualcomm's Snapdragon 690, paired with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It is expected to have a quad camera setup. The main camera on the phone is expected to come in at 64 megapixel and will be joined by an 8 megapixel ultra-wide shooter. And there will be 2 more 2 megapixel sensors. The phone is expected to be priced at around $400, and its launch is expected to take place later in October. Now let's talk about the OnePlus 8T Pro. Rumors and leaks have already said it, but now it is officially confirmed by the CEO of OnePlus that there will be no OnePlus 8T Pro smartphone this year. This information was revealed by Pete Lau through his Weibo profile, where he also shared details about the launch of the OnePlus 8T in China. As stated by Lau, people who want flagship tier devices should go for the OnePlus 8 Pro. The direction of the brand is to only have one top product per year rather than upgrading every 6 months. However, he said OnePlus fans have more to look forward to, as there will be some surprises at the launch next month. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to support me on Patreon, the link is given in the description. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.